Hey everyone, it's been a while since we opened a pack. We were able to get one of the Seeing Stars packs. My wife and I each got one. So this is the first one, and my daughter's going to help me open it. Go ahead. All right, first up. Nurkic. This is I think, his first moment on. Actually, I don't know. I'll have to look that one up. Oh, yeah, he's got some others. I'm not sure. Probably one of the lower ends on this one. All right. Number 17. Malcolm Brogdon. I like Malcolm. I think he's a good value right now, especially his 15,000. Number 17. We'll take it. All right, last up should be the All Star. Right here. 52-33. Portland Lillard. Yep, Damian Lillard. Not a bad pull. Pretty good pack. We will take it. Good luck out there, guys.